Hey guys, last year we took some amazing cruises and did some really fun excursions.
Absolutely. What an amazing year.
Yes. Today we're going to give you an in-depth look at one of our favorite excursions from last year, which is Damajagua Falls in Amber Cove.
Yeah, now we already did a vlog, but that was our whole day. We're going to give you just the excursion, kind of show you some more of what went on.
Yep, so here we go guys. We hope you enjoy. Okay, so we booked our excursion through a third party. We found him on Facebook. It's Alfredo Tours. We'll give you the link down in the description so you can look it up for yourself.
All right, well, we sailed into the Port of Amber Cove. We're going to go ahead and kind of walk through the port and show you where the exit and where we meet the driver for the day. It's a very easy port to navigate. All right, here we're going to bear to the left, and there is Alfredo's dad, our driver for the day. Now, it was about 30 minutes from Amber Cove to get to Damajagua Falls, and I think from the other port, when I looked it up, it looks like about 45 minutes. Here you go. Here is the entrance to Damajagua Falls.
As you can see, we just followed our tour guide right in. He knew where to go, took us right to where we needed to be.
Yep.
Hi. How are you today?
Good.
Welcome to Damajagua. Thank you. So I just want to give you some information quickly in case you are. Here we offer photo submission service and we provide you with unlimited photos and everything. We offer this service because it's so difficult to take photos and make a video about yourself in the water excursion because you have too much water. Yes. But this service have a price for $45 for you and a family. And you have the ocean, you can pay by credit card, Apple Pay, or cash.
Okay, yeah, we want to do that.
Okay, I need one of you come with me for you print your name quickly. Okay. You can for your driver, for your
Okay.
help.
All right, now this area up here, if you look back, this is where we got our life jackets and our helmets. They also have lockers in this area. Now, we had the driver for the day, so we didn't need the lockers.
This is our photographer right here, Sammy.
Hola, familia.
Sammy Sosa.
Yeah, welcome home, family.
Here's a look at some Dominican cowboy.
All right, now this is a pretty long bridge that kind of goes over the little river. It's pretty neat. It's got where you can see right through down as you cross. You'll see our photographer grab a quick pic of us. Can't say enough good things about our photographer.
Yeah, he kept us going. He kept us like organized, like, come on, you guys.
Yeah.
Like, let's head up to the front.
Yeah, he kept us at the front of the line pretty much the whole time. He was great.
Yeah.
He was a moral coach, to keep me going.
Yeah, it was so worth the price to have your own photographer with you.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
All right, now this is pretty much the start of the real trail kind of going up. Now you're going to see it in a minute. You can see where it starts getting a little rocky, and this is where we want to point out that you want to have not those little thin water shoes. You want to have real water shoes with a sole.
Yeah, or a pair of old tennis shoes that you don't mind getting wet and muddy.
Yep. Yeah, here you can see the big rocks kind of sticking through, so.
Dragon Fruit, 7-1, that's good.
Eso, mami, vamos. Ándale, ándale. It's video. I'm recording you, papi. Yeah.
Yeah, great.
Eso.
Okay, these trails are no joke. I think I might lose Scott.
We were doing walking before coming here because I read all the stories and I was like, oh, I don't want to die on the trail. So we did lots of walking. We did like 5 miles, but we live in Florida where it's straight and flat. Holy crap. After the first leg of stairs, I'm about done. Struggling. The struggle is real.
Yes.
Eso, familia, vamos. Almost there, almost there. 5 more minutes again. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, of course, this is a box.
300 steps again.
300 steps.
Yeah. You ready, familia? Ready to rumble?
No kidding, this is like straight uphill. Ooh, slipped on the roof.
Vamos, familia. Congratulations, congratulations. We are in the top, we are in the top. Give me 5, give me 5. Yeah. No more high.
Oh my God.
We made it. I think we're near the top. I'm really not sure.
They keep lying. I only had to stop once on the way up, but luckily this was it. Whatever at the top, reload it, because otherwise I know the struggle. You read all the reviews and everybody says the struggles are getting up the hill. I thought, yeah, but I was a little worried.
That's okay. We got a medic set up here in case you need a medic. To have a medic.
I was looking for the oxygen.
No oxygen.
It's for real if you're out of shape. No lies.
For real.
All right, so it's just a little bit farther until we get to like the big part.
So I made it to the first zip line stop. We are not doing zip lining.
No, this was another 5-minute Dominican time walk.
Dominican 5 minutes.
At least it was only a little bit uphill. Most of it was down and level, so it wasn't. I'm not quite dying this time. Still hot. If you could see all the sweat, I probably lost about 30 pounds of water weight so far.
All right, here's where we're starting to get into the water, and you really need some good water shoes. Oh, there goes a zip liner. But you're going to see, you can't see where you're stepping in the water, and there's lots of big rocks and stuff like that. So, again, can't stress enough to have good water shoes for this excursion.
Absolutely.
Hola, familia. How do you feel? Good? Good. Yeah. Oh, God.
Again, lots of uneven terrain.
And this is just kind of the beginning, getting you into the water slides. I kept spinning. I don't know what was going on.
I look terrified for some reason. And here's the first jump. This is the first jump again, just from the different camera.
And if you get up there and it's too high, you're scared, they have stairs on every one that you can just climb down the stairs if you decide not to jump.
And this is that same slide we just saw, just reframed with the other camera. There are guides all along the path, so don't worry. You've got your life jacket on, they're helping you, watching you. Never felt nervous at all.
Bye-bye. See you, puppy. Come on.
Boy, this 360 camera makes this jump look super high.
Now the current can be really strong in some of these spots. You can see they've got guides helping you, they've got sticks to help you get in.
And actually, this part was a little awkward getting out. It was super deep, and then you kind of get to a ledge, and I'm not the most coordinated person, so.
I don't know if I got you. Sir, excuse me, please. I take it. Puppy.
We conquered the waterfalls, yeah. That was probably the funnest thing we've ever done.
No, that was pretty awesome. I'm still not quite sure if hike up was worth it, but the end part was pretty awesome. That one last jump was pretty it's high to me. Okay.
It's pretty high.
It's pretty high, but it was pretty awesome. You jump down, get in there, and you're just come up. You have no clue where you're at. Oh, good Lord! Just oh, but it was fun. Even the little slides was fun. So I've heard the bad stories about getting bumped around, and I didn't really have the problem with the slide. So yeah, all in all, this was pretty great.
Now the walk back.
I know. Yay!
Here's a little bit of the walk back. It was all downhill. The path seemed much more flat and no rocks and anything. It was much easier.
Yeah, and I gotta say, it was shorter than the walk up.
Definitely. Downhill's always easier.
Yeah. But overall, this was a great excursion. We had a fantastic day.
Yeah, amazing time. Wish there were a few more jumps, but you know.
Yeah. It definitely can get crowded in some spots because sometimes there's just so many people.
Yeah. Like I said, our group was pretty big, but it ran through fast. You're not waiting a long time or anything.
Yeah,
like
they're moving you right along.
Yep. All right. Well, this was pretty much our tour.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. Here's a little bonus.
What are you trying?
What is it again?
Mama Juana.
Mama Juana.
Okay.
Mama Juana. No marijuana.
Not marijuana. Mama Juana.
Mama Juana.
Oh, that's not bad.
Would I like it?
It's kind of sweet, yeah, probably.
Okay, I have some.
Oh,
Mama
oh,
Juana.
Good.
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 Un poquito.